Right, it's Monday the 3rd of September 2018 and I'm pulling my kitchen unit out. So, pull the foam flooring up, remove the duct tape, remove the connection points there. Took the wires out of the solar charge controller. So, okay, that's the kitchen unit out. The wiring loom off the power socket panel. Took the power socket panel out. Behind there is the jack and the wheel brace, and this metal, I'm going to insulate it. The jack and the wheel brace. So all these bits here that's underneath the wheel arch, I'm going to insulate. Clean my metalwork with white spirit. Okay, took about 20 minutes. There's a gap going inside the body there, so I've sealed that. Still need access to the jack and the brace. This isn't a flat, it's more like a workshop. So here he is, photobombing me. So we've got the kitchen unit here. It's got some paper and stuff through on it, but I'm going to take it apart. This shell's coming out. I've also took the board off that had the solar charge controller on. Okay, let's get stuck into it because it's raining outside today still. So it's all stripped out, the centre bits, the board in the middle, the shelf in the middle, removed it all. So let's redesign it with these, what I've got. Let me show you now. So here's the first thing I've got. It's a 4-litre Union Jack fridge. Now it runs off 240 volt, which is indoors in your house, but it also has a 12 volt lead with a cigarette power socket on the end. So I'll just get it out now for you. Okay, so here it is, Union Jack design. You push the handle down. It's the size of a fridge. I think it says, where is it? It's 4 litre. Nice and clean inside, it's hardly been used. Used to be my mum's. Bit of dust on it. Got a handle. Fan at the back, input and output. And you can either have it warm or cool, DC or AC, 12 volt or 240 volts or 220, but we're 240 in the UK. Turn it round, so just show you that. Got a lead there, plugs into the 12 volt on there, and it's got this socket on the end. So I need to measure up now, but I've got something else as well for free. Have a look at this. It's not the dog. Okay, here's my leisure battery that I've used on my holidays and that. 55 amp hours, but this is what someone's given me. Will it focus very well? 12 volt, 70 amp. So that's why I'm redesigning my kitchen unit to take both batteries and my mini fridge. But it means I've got 125 amp hour in my Berlingo Micro Camper. Okay, let's get some woodwork done. That's both batteries in my unit, so I can measure up. So we're going to sit like that. Above there is going to be a shelf where I can lift the shelf off. The mini fridge is going to stand on it with the door on this side there. Right, I've fitted this beam across there at the bottom of the batteries, and I'm having the batteries in this position. But just had a tape measure, put it down, a minute later, can't find it. 10 minutes later, still can't find it. I ain't got a clue where it's gone. Derp. Have you heard of the saying, can't see the wood through the trees? Well, that's me. Right, this gap here, I've cut this piece of wood and it just goes in here like that, just loose in there, but it sits above the battery lips. But it sits above the lips on my battery, it moves about, but these are going to be strapped down anyway to the frame, so that just stops them sliding up and down. A spacer really. Okay. DIY dog licking his bum in the sawdust. Not really. He's itchy today, aren't you? Eh? Anyway, this beam here, you can see here, fitted that. And I fitted this one across here. So I've got to cut some board now to go on here. And that's going to make the shelf for the fridge. Okay, I've made two boards there, front piece and back piece, so they pull out like this, and this one comes out so you can get to the batteries and goes back in like this. Bit hard with one hand. There we go. Right, hopefully the fridge will fit. And it fits, and it's quite a snug, secure fit. Don't move around much. Look, if you push it, so that's it. Opens like that. Room for food, bacon, eggs, tin dog meat. Then you've got this at the side there. You can't see that well in this poor light in my flat, but this is where you control it and plug it in, what I was showing you before. Okay, that's me for the night now. I've had enough. Okay, see you tomorrow. Right, good morning. So I fitted the battery straps that hold the battery down, the old webbing belts with clip lock buckles on. One on that side, one on that side, and two on the back. And we go, so that's the wrong position. We should go like this, underneath and round here, and on the opposite side, and we screwed there. Same with that one, it's screwed on the back, and that one I've just put a screw in there to hold it in place. Okay. Right, the battery straps are fitted, so one there and one there. This piece of wood comes out to gain access. Okay, right, I think that's it now. I'm going to fit it back in the car in about an hour. Catch up with you then. Right, this is the bottom of the kitchen unit. It's got radiator foil on it to reflect the heat or cold. So put round circles of mark around where the screws are. Hope I've got it lined up right. Spin it round, get it in the car. Okay, so that's the kitchen unit fitted. I screwed the floor on it, like you've seen. Fitted it in here. That's for the earth, off the 12 volt wiring, but it's really firm. You can see the foil, and you can still get to the jack and the brace. Right, when I put the foam floor down now, and then it's done.